Hi ho, Kermit the Frog here. Oh, that's, yeah.
It's paper.
I mean, might as well. I need to find another 10 cents, I think, to get the $2.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you? It's nice out. I thought it was going to rain.
Yeah, that's what the weather said, but
Oh well. No complaints?
everything before it rains.
Yeah.
You gotta put it back in its garage.
Yeah.
How's it going? Having a good sale?
Yeah, so far.
All right.
Waiting on
Okay.
you to buy the rest of it.
I'm sure somebody will.
Wow, that's quite a machine, huh?
It is. I bought it brand new and used it a few times, and it's just not my. It's more of a cross trainer type of
Yeah.
machine.
Yeah, you're like,
Kinda old school. I actually am selling it because I bought a cable machine. It's just a
oh,
traditional stuff.
yeah.
So that's more of a kind of a circuit type of training.
Yeah, that's
Pretty
cool.
You got an app on your phone, or you can put it on the tablet
Wow.
and put it up there in that little holder up top, and it goes through the exercises.
Wow.
So, I mean, it's cool, but you just
Yeah, it's huge. I don't know where I'd put it. It's so big. Cool though. All right, I'm gonna check them out.
Take care.
No, you're fine.
How much is
know how much you want for that Harry Potter?
The Harry Potter is 4.
for? How much are your jeans?
Jeans are 10.
Okay.
They're 2 for 18.
Okay.
Are you firm on your price?
Yeah, I get it. We just sold our house in Connecticut and we were there 37 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was hard. Yeah, hard. So are you selling your twins?
No.
Yeah, that's,
We're going to die either way.
you selling your twins.
I'm sorry.
The twin, would you sell the twin?
Well, it's not in good shape.
Yeah, Ma, it's broken.
Get that.
Oh, yeah.
And my husband fixed it, but every time the grandkids get in it goes.
Yeah.
When they go and get a new swing, I'll paint it.
Yes, they're not that much money anyway, I don't think.
I love swings.
I do, we used to have one, but I don't even have a deck for it.
I just ran out of energy today. Haven't got my stuff out.
Yeah, take your time, don't, a lot of Christmas stuff on.
I'm sorry?
A lot of Christmas stuff. Christmas, you have a lot of
Oh,
Christmas.
I do. I have tons.
Yeah, I had tons, but I got rid of it.
Actually, that's where I
Oh
was.
my goodness, how cute. How much is the kitty? Oh. How much are the cats? I like cats. 25
Oh, we do too. Oh, we've got cats. We've had probably 50 cats in the time we've been out here. And we sit around
Yeah, I'm gonna
and
take
cry our eyes out.
Oh, they're so cute.
I got a lot.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, my twins have cats. How much is that? You get them on Mark too. Or
Well, that is stoneware Onada. I put $5. Do you want it for 4?
okay.
These are, I went up and looked them online to see what they were. They were $32.
Yeah, no, I'll get them. My twin is I'll show you a picture of my kitten. You want to see a picture of my kitten, and you'll know why I'm
Oh,
grabbing.
yeah.
Did I leave my phone in the car,
We've got a
David?
new kitten.
Maybe. You can go grab it.
Really? I'm going to show you my kitten. You're going to go, oh my goodness, she's so cute. I think I left in the car. Chocolate. Yeah, I did. Hold on a minute.
She's running.
I'm so slow this morning because yesterday I had everything out just right.
Yeah.
I did not have one person.
Aw,
Not one.
that's crazy.
I just...
I saw it in the penny saver, I think. Oh, yeah. How much for Miss Buttersworth?
What did I have to put in there? I think I put...
Oh, did you put a sticker on it?
There's where I put it, I guess. I saw them online. I've been keeping them, and I saw them on, I think it was eBay, for $10 a piece.
Oh, wow.
So I put 7.
Okay.
If you...
Yeah, maybe. Cool. They're just...
recently on eBay and next door, I'm dripping, for $12
Oh, it's hot, yeah.
each, but I just need to move stuff out of my house.
I get it, yeah. Totally.
There you go.
Oh,
She's
oh,
1.74 this morning.
oh.
That's not so good. But that's my new baby.
Well, my husband has a new baby, a little off each thing, I guess.
Well, David, screwdrivers for Della.
I don't need any. I got too many.
No, probably haven't. So. Alright, I should put my stuff in the pot like this. I'm getting this.
You want to get your bag?
Yeah, that would
25 cents. Get it. Find one more thing that's a quarter. Mom, did you see the kitty photo album?
how much is that?
It is $1.50.
You're very impressive, David.
Yeah.
I was up till midnight.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
There's some...
No, I don't like it.
Is this a kitty? No.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, I forgot.
Is this all? Ma, are you buying this?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know. How much is it?
I'm paying 50 cents for it, honey.
That's a great deal. That thing is awesome. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here. Oh, that's, yeah.
It's paper.
I mean, might as well. I need to find another 10 cents, I think, to get the $2.
Okay. 10 cents. You need something for 10 cents.
This book is 10 cents, so.
Yeah, I don't hang up it.
All right, I'm gonna get all this stuff here. It ends up being like $4.80. I'll just give you 5 for it. This 2, 3, 4.50, 4.75, 85.9. Yeah, so $5.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Mom, I'm gonna load this up while you keep shopping.
Here, you can put this around that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can put it in this bag.
Okay.
You got something and then you break it.
Yeah, it's always sad.
And it's not
Yeah.
very-
Okay.
not
Thank you.
bargain there.
Yeah.
I owe you 15.
I'll come back for that. I can't. Hey everyone, thanks for coming yard sailing with me today. As you saw, it was a couple little yard sales. First couple, I didn't buy anything, although there was a few things I probably should have grabbed. That was a Friday, and then I went out on Saturday with my mom and met this really nice lady who had a 2-day yard sale, and we showed up I think at 10 a.m. on Saturday, and we were the only ones who showed up so far. So the first day she had nobody show up. The second day we showed up, and it looked like, I did some research after, she had only advertised in the penny saver, which I guess is pretty popular down in Florida, which is where these yard sales were. These were several months back by now. I lost this footage and then finally got access to it. So you're watching some footage that's pretty old, but I thought it was pretty fun anyways. She sold me a bunch of Halloween stuff that I actually did sell in October. Except for the mug. I got a Halloween mug I still have listed. Probably won't sell till next year at this point. That Halloween fiber optic cat I sold. And I'll put the listings at the end. And then also the little pumpkins that stick in the ground. Little steak pumpkins. I think they were little blow molds. I sold those. I think both of those things sold for around $25. So I ended up making about $50. Her prices were incredibly cheap there. Again, super nice lady. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye.